We could do that all day, y'all. Y'all, we got a special request from one of our family members on this channel, man. Listen, if you're liking what you got so far, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, hop in the comments and let me know what you think. Today we just gonna go over this song as quickly as I can, but man, it is juicy. We gonna go over this song by Prince, Forever in My Life. And I didn't know this song. I like Prince, I love Prince, but I didn't know this song until Buddy sent the request, and he said, man, I would love to be able to play this song for my wife. And so man, hey, what an honor it is. We're gonna try to learn this song today. Okay, this song is in the key of G, and it's called Forever in My Life by Prince. Forever in My Life by Prince. We're in the key of G. Let's get the foundation of the song. The verses and the chords kind of run in together. Every now and then there's a part that's got a little bit of a change in it. But we're gonna learn enough to work our way through it today. And then look, at the end of the song, we got about 3 minutes of good jam time. And there are several versions of this song. I figured if he wanted to play it for his wife, he might want to do something acoustic or something, but you could play this on electric or acoustic, either way. But the song is in key of G, and it's kind of gonna give us a little bit of blues, and then later on we kind of gonna get it funky a little bit. Okay, so what we got a G, then we go into a B minor. I'm just gonna give you the single notes right now. Now we're going up half a step to a C, back to your G. Then you're gonna hear this. All right, that's basically your verse and your hook right before the bridges come. But so, hey, woo, we just on one string. Woo, back to your G. Woo, and so we just walking it back up now. Let's put some chords with it. Y'all ready to put some chords with it? We're gonna put some chords with it. So we need a major chord and we need a minor chord shape. We need a major chord shape, we need a minor chord shape. How we gonna do that? We're gonna get this. That's our major chord shape. We're barring. I got my bird finger or my middle finger on the the G string of the 4th fret. Then I got my ring finger right here. I ain't got my ring on, Lord. I'm married, y'all. We put our ring finger right here on the A string of the 5th fret. and then our pinky falls right up under that on that D string. That is a major chord. That's what I like to call the E shape, because this is E. It's a E major chord. Listen, the beautiful thing about bar chords, because this is a bar chord, is they're movable. So there's that C major that I'm gonna need later, and here's that D major that I'm gonna need. I'm keeping that same shape. I don't have to worry about changing fingering. But when I go to a minor chord, I'm just changing one finger, okay? And that's just taking that bird finger off. Watch how you use that bird finger right there. Watch how you use that middle finger. So we got. Then we go into a minor, so we got take that finger off, and then we sliding up here to the, what fret is that? 7th fret. Then we going up to the C, that's major. Listen, if you haven't already, go check out, there's a video on the key of G major. And I'm going to teach you all of these things you're learning in this video, besides, you know, the parts around this song. But all of the music theory stuff that you're going to need will be on that video. So we're on this C major. Back to our G major, so keep that shape. And then you'll hear this walk down. It's going to be D major, C major, B minor, so remove the middle finger, A minor, remove the middle finger, what's the lyrics? Let me see if I can find the lyrics real quick. Let's see. Let's see. Y'all like it? I ain't got the lyrics. I wasn't ready. Okay, I wasn't ready. But it's something. Here we go. That's that C major. Back to the G major. Alright, so that's that bridge you're hearing. Now what I did, I changed some chords. So same thing here. We got, this is a major shape, but this root is on this A string. The root is on the A string, so that's a C note. Then I went to that B major actually. Then I'm going to that A minor. I'm doing that A minor right there. You can do this A minor. All right. So this would be the same if you were here. All right. So that's that verse. B minor, that's a B minor 7. Now the thing about this B minor 7 right here, I like it because I could do. And now if you're on this B minor, you got things you can play around with there. I like. So I'm just hammering on. So basically, if I didn't have the chord, it would be. C major. Back to my G major. I can use this shape if you want to. And then alright. And then that la da 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 da. You can do that. I'm sliding right into that G. So we got la da 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 da. La da 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 da. Alright, and then they go, you are my woman. Now, towards the end, when it gets that dun, 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 that's the funky part. All right, look, really, we're staying on one chord that whole time, and that's a G minor. Okay, and I like using this shape. You can do this. You can do the G minor 7 if you want to. You can do the G minor right here. What? G minor, but I ooh. And all I'm doing is squeezing this, and I'm just and sometimes I cut my palm right here a little bit so that the strings don't ring out. I don't want it to be like that. I want it to be, cause we finna get funky and we driving right now, alright? And sometimes I'm squeezing and letting go right here to get what I want. Alright, so I'm on G minor. Alright? So what I can do is I can play G minor scale while I'm vibing. While I lock this in and get this vibe. So my G minor scale is, alright. So that is the 3rd fret to the 5th fret. Next string down, 3rd fret. Excuse me. This 3rd fret to 6th fret. I'm sorry. 3rd fret, 5th fret, 3rd, 5th, 3rd, 5th. Back to 3rd, 6th, 3rd, 6th. And that's a scale. So what that tells me, I can play those notes in any order. As long as I'm playing them notes, I can play them in any order. And it's gonna sound good because that's the scale on this chord that I'm playing right now. Start with something simple first. That's what I did. Oh, I can do this all day. Huh? How about that la da 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 da? You can put that in there. That's that scale extended, so. can find you a pattern and just stay on. You got them tricks too. How about both of them? Hey, if you're still here, hit that like button. Hit that like button. Hop in the comments. Tell me, is that groovy? Wait, what was I? What was it? This ran out. That's it, y'all. That's time. Y'all let me know, man. Has this lesson been a blessing to you? Did it help you do anything? Tell me, do you like that? Oh, that's that drive right there. That's that drive, y'all. I played it all day. Do not get me started back up again. Listen, my brother who requested this, listen, I hope you catch this. I hope it's personal to you. And I hope this helps you to play along. Ooh. Let me get off of here. But yeah, play it at whatever tempo you can, and then try to play along with the track. There are several versions of this song. As I said, I think there's an acapella version. That would be a good time for you to practice and get along. Y'all let me know if you need anything else. If you got any special requests, make sure you go in the comments. Let me know. Listen, let me know where you're coming from. Right now, at this time, let's see, what's today's date? It is January 11th, and there is a little winter storm going across the southeast. So y'all keep all those in prayer, as well as there's a fire going on out in the California area. Y'all keep those people in prayer, those families and everyone in prayer. Y'all tell me, what's the weather like where you at today? Cause Georgia act like I'm in Georgia, and they act like they ain't never got no. We don't know what to expect. Cause the weatherman done lied to us so many times. We don't even know how to prepare, y'all. But listen, I love you. Bye bye.